Before the world was divided, before the name of man carried weight, there was a land of fire and sun, Odan'Ibala, the land of the eternal sun. From the heart of the earth rose the heart of Orun, a gift from the heavens, carrying the strength of the gods. And from the stone rose a king, Oba Orodan, the sun-blooded king, who bound earth, sky, and spirits, forging a kingdom where no sword of man could tread. He was protected by the Eburu, warrior-seers, masters of storm and spirit, sworn to guard the heart of Orun. But where there is light, darkness follows. Ajewele, brother of the king, driven by envy, sought the heart of Orun for himself. Brother turned against brother, kingdom against kingdom, and in the final battle, the Eburu were scattered, and the heart of Orun lost. The earth shall bleed red again, and where it does, a child of the old blood shall rise, and either redeem the land or burn it to ash. And so, the eternal sunset and what remained were stories, whispers, and the blood of kings, sleeping in the veins of hunters and wanderers. Now, the earth stirs, the drums of war sound, and the blood that sleeps shall wake. The legend was never lost. It was only waiting.